Welcome back. Today we will show you how to apply for a job, internship, or volunteer opportunity on myFuture. Log into myFuture and navigate to the opportunity board of your choice. General job postings, volunteering, or internships and co-op. Find the job you are hoping to apply for, either by searching for the job directly or viewing the available job postings. Once you have found the job, click Apply. This opens the job overview page. Click Apply either by using the action button with the 3 dots on the bottom right side of the page or the gray button at the top of the page under the job title. You will then be prompted to upload required documents. The page will list what is required, such as a CV, resume, references, or another document. Click Upload Documents to select and name your files. Accepted formats include PDFs, doc, or .docx files. It's good practice to name your document what kind of document it is, as well as including your name and the date in the file name. Once you have uploaded the documents required, you will see the option to create a customized application package for the application, where you can name the package and select the documents for each requirement using the drop-downs. If you missed adding a document, you can also add more at this stage. Click Submit, and you will see a page confirming your submission. To view all of your applications, click Applications on the left sidebar under Job Postings. You can see an overview of your applications within a certain time period and their statuses. You can also view your application packages and make changes to them by clicking Cancel Application or Change Package to add a different application package. To manage your application documents, click the Application Documents heading on the left sidebar under Jobs, Internships, and Volunteering. Upload documents and create application packages here. Click View on a document type, such as cover letters, and you can also archive, download, or delete your documents from this page. You can use all of these same steps to apply for internships and volunteer opportunities on the other job posting boards on myFuture. We hope this video helped you learn how to apply for job postings on McGill's myFuture platform. For more information about using myFuture, please visit our website, mcgill.ca myfuture.